Is your internet acting up? Slow connection, no signal, or red lights on your PLDT modem? Before you call support, try this simple fix. Restart your modem or router. In this video, I will show easy way to restart your PLDT router or modem physically and remotely. Let's get started. Method 1. Physical restart. First, unplug the power cord from the back of your PLDT modem or router and from the power outlet. A full power cycle works best. Wait at least 30 seconds. This gives the router time to fully reset its internal memory and clear any temporary glitches. Plug the power cord and power adapter back in. Watch the LED lights. They will start blinking and then turn solid. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Method 2. Restart via web interface. Connect PLDT router using Wi-Fi or wired from Ethernet port from PC or laptop. Open a web browser and type 192.168.100.1 or your router's IP address printed on the sticker. Log in using your admin username and password. Find default username password printed on the sticker. Now navigate to the System Tools from top or side menu. Under System Tools, you will see Reboot or Restart button. Click on Reboot or Restart. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Press OK button to confirm and router will restart. And that's it. Restarting your PLDT modem or router is a quick and easy way to fix many common internet issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tech help. Thanks for watching.